In this video, we'll show you how to diversify your portfolio to include U.S. and global stocks. The financial community recognizes several broad market sectors. Canada's equity market is heavily concentrated in three of them. Financials, energy, and materials make up more than two-thirds of the S&P/TSX Composite Index. Many investors who hold market cap-weighted Canadian equity funds are heavily exposed to the Canadian stock market. As a result, they can end up with a portfolio that is over-concentrated in three sectors. One way to diversify your portfolio is by including exposure to a wider range of market sectors. However, Canada has relatively few large companies to choose from in sectors such as technology, healthcare, and utilities. So you may want to look beyond Canadian borders and consider U.S. or global investments. For example, in Canada, healthcare is a small sector. It accounts for a larger share of developed country stock markets, and it represents an even larger part of the U.S. stock market. So you may want to look outside of Canada for healthcare investment opportunities. Through Qtrade Investor, you can trade U.S. and global companies, and you can use powerful screening tools to sort through them. When you're logged into Qtrade Investor, under Investment Tools, go to Screening Tools, Stocks. You can screen and filter on a range of criteria. Here there's an option to screen by sector, so let's select it. Now you can choose a particular sector. Keeping with the earlier example, let's select the healthcare sector. Let's say we're mainly interested in the largest blue-chip companies. The default list of companies is in alphabetical order by ticker symbol, but you can also sort by market cap, biggest to smallest. Now you can focus on the biggest firms. To pick one familiar name, let's take a look at Johnson & Johnson, which trades under the symbol JNJ on the New York Stock Exchange. You can see a wealth of information about Johnson & Johnson that will allow you to analyze its performance and compare it to its peers. Back to the list of healthcare companies, notice you're not limited to investing in North American companies. For example, here is Novo Nordisk of Denmark and GlaxoSmithKline of the UK. These and many other foreign companies trade on North American exchanges through an American Depository Receipt, or ADR. ADRs present an opportunity to diversify a portfolio not just by sector, but by geography as well. And now you know how to include U.S. and global stocks from different sectors in your portfolio.